Alpha Crew are dedicated to training our crew and ensuring the safest working environment. We pride ourselves on being one of the best events crewing companies in the UK and Europe, and are always trying to raise the bar. The term manual handling covers lifting, pushing, pulling, carrying, and putting down. At Alpha Crew, almost everything we do at work involves manual handling in some way. When manual handling is required, try to think of the acronym TILE. Task means considering the manual handling activity itself. Does the task involve repetitive movements, long distances, or uneven surfaces? Individual. This means considering the person who will be carrying out the manual handling activity. How strong, fit, or able is the person, or do they need assistance? Load. This means considering the object that is being moved, and how this may affect health and safety. Is the load too heavy, large, bulky, or unstable? Environment. This means considering the area in which the load is being moved. Is there space or constraints? Are there any trip hazards? Is there sufficient light? Alpha Crew require all crew to wear a high visibility vest when working around the general public or moving vehicles, gloves for lifting, and safety boots or safety trainers. Adopt a stable position and make sure your feet are apart, with one leg slightly forward to maintain balance. Test the load to judge the weight. Assess whether you need assistance to carry the load. When lifting, bend the knees and keep the back straight and get a firm grip. For a long lift, plan to rest the load midway on a table or bench to change grip. Keep the load close to the waist. The load should be kept close to the body for as long as possible while lifting. Do not twist or overextend yourself. There are several methods for carrying flight cases. This varies depending on the size and the weight of the flight case. Constraints such as uneven floors or stairs, tight spaces, or long distances to travel will also impact your lifting method. Regardless of the lifting method, always remember to follow the basic rules of manual handling. Bend the knees and keep the back straight. There are 3 methods of lifting staging. Each carry is dependent on the amount of space you have to work in. The table lifts, the easiest lift and most balanced. Advised to use if space is not an issue, only if there are no obstacles, and can be used for long distances. The side lift, a difficult method and hard on the grip. Advised to use if space is restricted, but only for short distances. The alpha lift, the hardest method to master. This lift requires good balance, strength, and coordination. Out of all the methods, this can be used for the longest distances. Always ensure correct form. When lifting truss, bear in mind anything over 6 foot must be lifted by 2 crewmen. Always try to pair up with somebody of equal height.